Hi! If you missed part 1 of this video, I am
Definitely
making mac
didn't
and
see
cheese to
part
bring to a
one.
friend's giving party / birthday party.
Okay.
And never done this before, but I chose the Cracker Barrel sharp white cheddar mac and cheese. I hope that
Cracker
this is a
Barrel's
hit
pretty
tonight
good,
because
so
if
it
nobody
should be
eats my
good.
mac and cheese, I'm gonna be sad.
It's mac and cheese. People are gonna eat it.
That looks beautiful. I'm so going to cheat really fast.
You gotta try what you cook, because we had someone make chili for a chili cook-off, didn't taste it. It was disgusting. Worst chili I ever tasted.
Oh, this is so good. I don't think I'm supposed to be doing this, but that's okay.
Did she?
Look at all that mac and cheese.
Did she just do what I thought she just did?
Beautiful.
Did she
And
just
she's
double
very
dip
happy.
in something that
Contemplating
she's
making
cooking
this a series.
that she
Danny tried
made
cook
to bring to a
because Danny
party
can't cook.
for other
But
people
hey,
to
we just made
eat?
beautiful mac and
That's
cheese
disgusting. You never double
from the
dip.
box. Baby
Even
steps,
if you're
people.
cooking for yourself
Step one
and your
complete.
family. That's disgusting. You never double dip. I cannot stand that. Oh my God.